Eggs are usually a marker of a chef's skill, but also I happen to eat an omelet pretty much every morning. The traditional chef toque that has all the folds and flutes in it, those are supposed to symbolize all the different ways that you can prepare an egg. And there's over 100 of them on the chef toque. It's sort of a badge of honor and a skill test to be able to prepare eggs differently and execute well. I'm Grant Achatz, the chef and co-owner of Omelette, and we're at my house today. We're making a simple French omelet. The 3 tips for making a good omelet. Non-stick pan, for me, is critical in almost every egg preparation. Without that, the omelets would be impossible. You want to cook it slowly. Constantly stir it so that you get that curd effect in the middle, and then using a maiden nonstick so that you can fold it up nicely and then get it out of the pan onto the plate. When you overcook eggs, they get rubbery. So I want that custard-like center. They're barely set, they're like curd-like. To me, that's perfect.